from the very beginning, we have that kind of relationship of trust. I was talking with people who understand my problem, my needs, and that they were concerned to solve that, my problems and my issues. So it was really easy and comfortable from the very beginning. The problem-solving capacity. So it doesn't matter what type of problem. Maybe it was technical, maybe it was documentation, maybe it was process, or maybe it was communication. But Binariks from the very first time had the capability to solve and shortcut most of the problems ahead. Every time it's smooth. Of course, we struggle for a long project. We are more stressed, or we are less stressed, but the attitude is what really counts. All the time is being working hard from the part of Binariks on make it smooth, make it easy, make it as a really good partner on the project. So not only smooth, but also easy, even on the hard times. My feeling is that we really have a partner. It's one more on the table, looking for the best interest of the project and taking all the efforts what is needed to move ahead for the best of the project. Not self-interest at all, but taking care of the project as a whole. I would lie if at the beginning I was concerned about that. On when you are trying to hire a project, the only way that you can look for to be on the safe side is that kind of qualification, something that you feel on the safe side. Now I realize that it doesn't matter. That it's not. Of course, it's relevant, but it's not what really makes the difference. The difference is the attitude of the team. Is how they handle the project, how they do the effort. Because of course you take for granted the knowledge or the capacity. But I've been working in several projects in different countries, and at the very end is the attitude of the team what really makes the difference. Easy and complex decision. For my personal view and company view, I am the CEO of a company, and there's a lot at stake on our projects. I want to sleep well, and that's where you need that kind of effort, collaboration, work, and there are so many different things that you have to handle. You are looking for someone who will take the ownership and the responsibility. It's the best pill to sleep well by night. You have to take care of other problems, of course, but the ones that you rely on, or you deposit or you share with Binariks are the ones that you know that somehow they will be solved. And that's the best way from a boss or CEO or any responsible of a project would like to hear. The ownership of the problems, because basically we are paid to solve problems, and you get that kind of solutions. So my recommendation will be, if you want to sleep well by night, you have to hire Binariks. That's a very easy answer. Part of our project requires to be accredited by a specific US agency to fulfill the quality, the process, the computation, the security, everything related to IT development process. And we fulfilled that. We didn't have any issue, we didn't have any problem. It was extremely complicated. It was extremely difficult and hard to achieve, and we succeed. So it's not my personal point of view, is we had a high goal, a very difficult goal. No other company had go through that specific accreditation, and we got it. We are in the process of getting it thanks to Binariks. Everything that was on their side has been solved, has been properly documented, properly explained, with the proper security, high standard security. When I mean properly, I mean on the top of the standards, with all the certifications and quality controls and everything, every name that they like to put on every process. Check, we got it. And it was not easy at all. And so that's very, very important.